Hey, I just received this Mini 2 as a birthday present from my wife. Can you believe my luck? The drone turns off when it crashes. Good to know, right? So, I have this dream of shooting cinematic footage that I can use in my videos to tell better stories. You know, these bird's eye view or circling around the subject shots. And I've seen from other creators that the Mini 2 is more than capable of delivering these shots, even in 4K. But the question is the DJI Mini 2 a good beginner drone, and can this old guy learn how to fly it and create those shots? Let's find out. Wow, I just flew for, 28 minutes or so, and I didn't crash. And I think from what I saw on the screen that I really got some great footage. We need to reverse a bit. Before I can actually fly this thing and also potentially crash it like I did, you need to install the DJI FLy app on your smartphone. And that should be simple, right? Unfortunately not so. At least not if it's an Android device you want to use with your drone. I went into the Play Store and searched for DJI FLy as I was instructed to, and nothing. Instead, I had to Google DJI FLy app, then go into DJI's website and download it from there, click install when the file was downloaded, and then Android put a security warning in my face that this app might not be secure. Not that beginner friendly, if you ask me. But no worries. Just allow the installation, open the app afterward, and you're good to go. And if you're on an iPhone, the DJI FLy app is available in the App Store as you'd expect. As you can see here, I'm at the waterfront. So today I'm gonna test out, conquer my fear and fly over water. The first flight I did today, I was actually flying with the camera in Pro mode, and the color settings were just way off. I couldn't see anything on the screen, so that was quite scary when I was flying over the water. I got the drone back, switched to automatic, and I think I got some really nice shots over water where I'm flying away from the sun. Okay. There was one major thing that I didn't try yet besides clicking on the return to home button. The one thing that I absolutely wanted to try was to test the built-in QuickShots. They look amazing, and I actually wanted to test the QuickShots in my earlier flights too, but it just wasn't obvious where to find them, and my hands were always freezing cold, so I wasn't going to look too long. Accessing this feature is definitely not beginner friendly, and I was expecting there to be a quick shot button directly on the main screen, but no. It's hidden away and not in the place where I expected. Let me show you. This is the home screen of the DJI FLy app, and the QuickShots function is hidden behind this little icon, which I had to do a Google search to figure out. I'd prefer to have the QuickShots button directly on the home screen, because I keep forgetting where to find it. And the same goes for switching between picture and video mode. Alright, now you know, and you won't have the same issue as me. That is, of course, if you remember. But let's check the footage. These QuickShots were easy to use once I found them. And they look great too. It's pretty amazing how quickly you can get good looking footage. So, is the DJI Mini 2 a good beginner drone? You bet. It's easy to fly and it feels very secure. Take your hands off the controls and it stays put where you left it. Add the amazing footage and the DJI FLy app, which is actually really good once you get to know it. And you have not only a great beginner drone, but a great drone period. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until I see you next time.